With the recent release of Milwaukee's track saw, there has been a growth in popularity of track saws outside of carpenters and woodworking enthusiasts. So why do you need a track saw? Some may argue that a circular saw with a straight edge or a table saw can get the same job done, which is true, but a track saw will give you a consistent accuracy and a great looking cut. The track saw's main advantage lies in its guide rail system. Simply clamping the guide rail to your workpiece, the saw will effortlessly glide along the rail, allowing you to make long straight cuts with absolute precision. This feature saves time and effort while ensuring flawless cuts that require minimal to no additional finishing. Traditional circular saws often cause tear out and leave rough edges, especially when cutting materials like plywood or veneered boards. With the track saw, the guide rail supports the material throughout the cut, minimizing tear out and giving you a clean, professional looking edge, and this is due to the blade spinning upward instead of downward, and that contributes to the reduced tear out and splintering. Apart from making straight cuts with precision, track saws often come with additional features to enhance their versatility. One popular brand in the woodworking realm is Festool, known for its high-quality track saws. Festool's top dog, the plunge cut track saw TS55, is the flagship model. This corded saw comes equipped with a robust 1200-watt motor that delivers consistent power for cutting through a variety of materials, including solid wood, plywood, melamine, and more. For the cordless folks, you can pick up a Festool 18-volt TSC55 cordless track saw. Powered up with a 5.2 amp-hour 18-volt lithium-ion battery, the TSC55 is great for cutting a wide range of materials, including wood, plywood, and other sheet goods. The saw is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor which delivers consistent power and extends the tool's overall lifespan. These track saws excel at plunge cutting, allowing you to create precise and clean cutouts, grooves, and recesses. They have a quick change that Festool names the Fast Fix system. With a simple lever, you can swap out blades pretty easily. One standout feature for the current TS55 models is the unique kickback stop technology. There is a little lever next to the blade that must be engaged for the saw to run. If for any reason that lever is disengaged, the saw will stop a fraction of a second. Pretty simple stuff. I appreciate that it's mechanically rather than electronically, so there's no actual damage of anything if a kickback were to happen. Need more power, eh? The Festool TS75 rocks a powerful 1600-watt motor delivering consistent performance even under heavy loads. A blade diameter of 8¼ inch, this saw can effortlessly handle a wide range of materials including solid wood, plywood, melamine, and laminate. Whether you need to make a rip cut, cross cut, or a bevel cut, this saw has you covered. A great option we see a lot of carpenters grabbing the Festool HK55 corded or HKC55 18-volt cordless track saws. These saws have a brushless EC-TEC motor. The HK55 features a 6¼ inch blade size and excels in cutting wood, plywood, and other sheet goods. Whether you need to make rip cuts, cross cuts, or bevel cuts, it's a lighter weight model and has a multi-use as a track saw or a standard circ saw. Each of these models offer varying cutting depths, plunge cutting capabilities, and compatibility with Festool's guide rail system. Other brands like Bosch, DeWalt, and Milwaukee also offer their own track saw solutions, providing options for users already on their battery platform. While Festool is widely regarded as the top choice for track saws, Bosch is a firm second choice due to its durability and precision. Bosch's track saw is a 6½ inch precision saw and is equipped with a robust 13 amp motor that delivers ample power for cutting through various materials. This motor ensures consistent performance even when dealing with the dense or tough wood. This track saw offers remarkable cutting accuracy thanks to its dual counterbalance plunging system. This track saw has a bevel capacity of up to 47 degrees, and it also incorporates an adjustable glide plate for smooth movement along the rack and reduces friction during cutting. The GKT13-225L is the part number and is designed to work seamlessly with the Bosch FSN track system. This track saw includes a dust extraction port that can be connected to a vacuum system to effectively gather up all that dust while you're cutting. DeWalt's solution to a track saw is their 60-volt max circular saw, which is also a 6½ inch blade, and it's equipped with a brushless motor. This track saw provides increased power and longer tool life compared to traditional brushed motors. This cordless track saw is powered by the 60-volt max lithium-ion battery, providing plenty of power for a variety of cutting tasks. With its cut capacity, it's best for plywood and other sheet goods. Milwaukee's M18 fuel track saw, the 2831-21, comes included with the brushless power state motor and powered by Milwaukee's M18 fuel technology and high-capacity lithium-ion batteries to deliver outstanding power and runtime. This saw uses a 6½ inch blade size and incorporates an electronic anti-kickback function. A common question we get when it comes to track saws is the compatibility of the guide rail system. It can get a little muddy when looking into this question because there isn't a real simple answer. These brands make tracks specifically for their saws and their features. But yes, most tracks are compatible with other saws, but we definitely recommend using a track that the saw was made for. When deciding on the most suitable track saw for your needs, here are some considerations to keep in mind. Blade size, speed settings, bevel capacity, motor power, corded versus cordless, cord length, track length, and safety features. By considering each of these factors, you can confidently select the best track saw for your project, ensuring efficient and precise cuts while prioritizing your specific needs and preferences. Or you can just give us a call and we'll tell you which is best. While a track saw is not a mandatory tool for every job site, it provides unmatched accuracy and efficiency hands down. By eliminating the need for measuring, marking, and manually guiding the saw, a track saw simplifies the cutting process and delivers flawless results. With reduced tear out and splintering, track saws are offering clean edges and saving time on additional finishing work. That is a very short overview of the track saws that we have available at ohiopowertool.com. There are many other options available that are out there, and I would like to know what you think of them. What is your best track saw option? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. 1600 watt.